Hey guys, welcome back to Daisy Crochet, or welcome if you're new. In today's video, I'm super excited because we're going to be talking about 20 plus free no-sew crochet plushie patterns. And just before we get too far into it, I did make a part 1 of this video a year or two ago, I think last year, and it was very well loved and super useful to me and to a lot of you guys too, because who doesn't love a free no-sew pattern? So today we're going to be talking about 20 plus different plushies, and I'm going to be giving you guys the links to either the Pinterest pin that I found these on or the YouTube tutorial or written tutorial. It will all be linked in the description for you. Okay, I moved you guys over so that you guys can see the photo of the pattern, and let's just get right into it with the very first one. So the first one is going to be Fiona's Frog in a Sweater pattern. So this is my sister's free video tutorial here on the channel. This is just one of the cutest plushies I've ever seen. She makes it using like a thicker acrylic yarn, but you can use like chenille or blanket yarn if you want to. And I just think it's so cute, and it's no-sew and free, like all these are going to be. But I just think that's absolutely amazing. I think she's so talented for coming up with this pattern, and make sure to check it out if you're interested, because I know a lot of people have really loved this one. So I will link the video tutorial in the iCards, but also in the description box for you guys. Next up is a pattern that I found on Pinterest, and I have really been wanting to make it ever since that. I think this would be perfect for Valentine's Day, or like a gift for like your partner or someone you love. And this is a free no-sew love bug pattern. I also have been wanting to make a ladybug, but like that's for a different video because I didn't find a pattern for that. But these love bugs are so cute. It's like a little heart body and then the cute little face and legs and ears, and it is free as well, and it looks pretty easy. So that is absolutely amazing, and this one was found on Pinterest, so I will link the pin for you guys. Next we have another one that I found on Pinterest, and this is going to be a no-sew bunny pattern. This is a free pattern called Lilo the Bunny. It says it has 3 stars of difficulty on here, so I don't know, it might be good for anybody. Maybe not a very beginner, but you can always try it out and see. And I think this one's made with like a blanket yarn or chenille yarn, but you could use whatever you want unless the pattern says you can't. But usually you can use whatever you want. And I just thought this one was so cute. Like, I love it, and I really want to make something like this. So I thought I would share this one with you guys as well. All right, number 4 also comes from Pinterest. We kind of have the Pinterest ones and then the YouTube ones after, aside from the frog in the sweater. So this one is a no-sew snail pattern. I've always wanted to make a snail, but never have. So I think this pattern might be perfect for me to try out. It looks like the shell is like strapped onto the snail. Like, it looks like it's wearing it as a backpack or something, but I don't know if that's true. Maybe that's just the design of it, but I think it's so cute, and it's also free and no-sew. And I think the ones that are coming from Pinterest are mostly Instagram patterns, so I think if you click the pin, that's where the pattern will actually be. This person has a lot of patterns on Pinterest that are free no-sew, so definitely like check them out if you want more ideas, because I just think all their patterns are so cute. They have like a mushroom pop, and they also have like the booty turtles, I'm pretty sure. And then, oh yeah, I also have one more from them on here, so definitely go check that one out if you want even more ideas. But I think this snail is so cute, and I totally want to try making it.
Hey guys, so I accidentally skipped number 5, which was supposed to be a no-sew turtle, so I wanted to include that here because I keep saying like, oh, number 6 is this, but it doesn't really make sense if I haven't actually said 6 things. So this one is also really cute. I can't believe I forgot it, but sorry about that, guys. But this one is also definitely a great one to try if you want a turtle pattern that doesn't take forever to make.
So I actually made this Pinterest board and like this video idea and the plan for it like 2 or 3 months ago. So at that time I had found a free Pawsum pattern that was on Pinterest, but since then Crochet by Jenna has came out with a free video tutorial for no-sew possums, and I've actually followed it and sold them very successfully at markets. So I would highly recommend following Crochet by Jenna's video tutorial, but then there is also a Pinterest pin on the Pinterest board that I'm going to link. So that is a different pattern, but I thought I'd give you two options for this one since I had this one originally, but then Crochet by Jenna's pattern came out, so that's the one I followed. So choose whichever one you want, but I absolutely love this pattern, and again, it sold very well at markets, so I highly recommend it. Next up, we have another one by the same creator as the Snail that I really love. It is this Ted the Thick Toad pattern. This is so cute, and I've always wanted to make the booty turtles, I think that's what it's called, that have like the turtles with like the butt. They are so cute, and this one is also so cute. It's also free and no-sew, and it's just this little toad thing. I love it, and I think this looks pretty easy to make, so why not share it with you guys, because it's so cute. For number 8, we have our updated stress ball tutorial. You can also follow the regular stress ball tutorial, but it is a little bit more fast-paced for if you're like a more experienced crocheter and you just want the pattern. And this is Fiona's pattern, and they're free tutorials here on the channel, and it's one of our most well-loved patterns on the channel, so I definitely thought I would share it with you. It's also a market bestseller. And then similarly for number 9, we have our updated mini Octo tutorial. So again, we also have the first mini Octo tutorial, but it's kind of the same as the stress ball. It's like a little bit of a shorter video where you'll just receive like the pattern without too many details of how to actually create it. Then the updated one is a lot more beginner friendly, so you guys can choose whichever one you want to follow that. But this is a market bestseller. We love our mini Octos so much, and I'm so happy that Fiona created this pattern. So definitely check out the stress ball and the mini Octos if you're interested, because they are awesome and quick no-sew plushie patterns. For number 10, we have a dinosaur pattern. This is such a cute dinosaur. I don't really know what it is. I think it's a stegosaurus, but if it isn't, I'm sorry. I don't know my dinosaurs that well, but this is absolutely adorable. I love it. It looks like it is a video tutorial, but I found the pin for it, so I think if you just click the pin, you can find the tutorial for it. But yeah, this is free and no-sew. It is so cute. I really want to try making something like this because I already make like T-Rex type dinosaurs, and I also make triceratops, and triceratops are our best sellers at markets, so people love dinosaurs, and I think this one could be a great one to add, especially because it's no-sew and the pattern is free. For number 11, we have a baby seal pattern. Honestly, it just looks like a regular seal, but it says baby, so why not? I have always wanted to make a seal. I don't know why I love seals so much, but I just think they're so cute, and I think I really want to try this pattern because it's free and no-sew. It also says it is a beginner-friendly pattern, and it looks like there's 2 different sizes you can make. I don't know if they're both included for free, but it does look like there's 2 different sizes, so that could be great. And again, I just love seals, so I thought I would include this one. It's not something that I included in the last video, so I thought I should definitely include it in this one. This is more of a seasonal item, but I thought I would share it anyway because it's super cute, and I love to use these as decorations during the fall. So these are no-sew ghosts, and I do actually have a video tutorial for no-sew ghosts here on the channel. It's my pattern. It's very easy and quick to make, and I highly recommend trying it out. You can make it with blanket yarn like I did if you want it to be the same size as mine, or you could use like an acrylic yarn for like a mini version. But yeah, they're just so cute, and I know a lot of people like ghosts like anyways, even if it's not fall, but especially in fall, I think this would be the perfect thing to make. So the pattern's there for you if you want to follow it. Next up, we have a Pinterest pin that I found that is a no-sew otter pattern. Me and Fiona love otters, and I think Fiona's been wanting to make an otter too, because we both have for a long time. But I found this pattern. It is so cute. It has a little fish in its hand. I think the fish is made with thinner yarn, but it's so cute. And I can't believe this is no-sew, because it seems like there's so many elements with like all the arms and legs and ears and tail, but apparently it's no-sew, so that's amazing. And also free, so I'll link that pin as well. Next up, we have a YouTube video tutorial by Raining Charms, and the next one is also by Raining Charms. I watch Raining Charms a lot, and she's one of my favorite crochet YouTubers. But anyways, she has this no-sew chunky chicken tutorial that is absolutely adorable. I love it so much, and I definitely think you should try this one out. But also, I found another mallard and like duck tutorial that I was using when I was market prepping that I hadn't found when I was making this list for this video, so I'll also link that one because I market prepped a lot of them and they were super successful. But if you're looking for more of like a chicken type pattern, then I do recommend trying Raining Charms as well because it looks so cute. And then another pattern that wasn't out when I made this video, but I wanted to mention for you guys because I thought it was absolutely adorable, is Raining Charms No Sew Baby Hippo. It is so cute. I really wanted to market prep these, but I didn't have time. So if I have time this week, I probably will try and market prep some, although I don't think I'm gonna have time. So I'll definitely try this pattern at some point. But this is also a quick video tutorial that you can use, so I totally thought I would also mention this one because it is just too cute. Next up, we have Crochet by Jenna's penguin pattern. Penguins were my favorite animal growing up. I was super obsessed with them and I knew everything about them. So this one holds a special place in my heart because I'll always love penguins. But I actually have never tried this pattern by Jenna, although I think it's so adorable. And she has a free video tutorial for her penguins, which I think is amazing. I love when she comes out with video tutorials because I love all her patterns, but I typically don't buy patterns. So I usually wouldn't buy them from her, but when she comes out with free tutorials, I get super excited and always try out the patterns. So I'm definitely going to need to try out this penguin because it is so cute, and I'll make it for my inner child, if not for a market. Next up, we have a no-sew dog tutorial. I don't know if I've ever made a dog before. I don't think I have. I'm surprised dogs aren't more popular to crochet because everyone loves dogs. Like, I know that some people have made dogs. Like, I've seen Crochet by Jenna's videos of her making all different types of dogs, which is so cute. But this one is a no-sew video tutorial for a dog. I don't really know what type of dog it is just because it doesn't say, and also I am not a dog expert or a dog person, but I do think this one is very cute. I love like the body, how it's like laying down. I don't know the word for that, but I think it would be a really cool one to try out. And I also think offering dog plushies at a market would be maybe a great idea because I know that cats sell very well, so dogs would likely do the same. Next up, we have a free tutorial for a mushroom pop, and I actually made mushroom pops for my recent market and everyone really loved them. I did not follow this pattern because of the thickness of my yarn. It wouldn't have worked with this pattern, but I do recommend trying this one because it is free and it looks super quick and easy. So I highly recommend checking this one out if you want to try out making the mushroom pops, which I do recommend trying out because I think they're absolutely adorable. Oh my gosh, guys, you know how I said I didn't find a ladybug pattern? I have one linked. That's how long it's been since I made this list. But next up, number 20 is a ladybug. I actually need to follow this pattern because I just said how badly I want to make a ladybug. So I'll add this to my watch later list because I need to try it out, and it's also free and no sew. So that is absolutely perfect. I'm really excited now because I've been wanting to make a ladybug really bad. So I highly recommend you check out this pattern if you also want to make a ladybug. We have 3 more plushies on the list. So number 21 is going to be this goldfish in a bag. This one is so creative and I would have never thought to make something like this, but I absolutely love it. Like, I love fish and I think this could be such a good thing to sell. Like, whether it be online or at a market. Like, imagine also if you were like selling at a fair or a carnival. Like, I don't know if that's a thing, but that would be so cute because you know how people like sometimes buy fish in a bag or like win it as a prize? I think it's a great idea. It is also free and no sew, so that is always a huge bonus. Number 22 is this Peep bunny. I really wanted to make Peep bunnies last spring, like this spring, for my Easter display at my apartment, but I didn't have time, so maybe next year I'll try this pattern out. I've used this Rose and Lily Crochet channel's patterns before, and I really like them. So this one might be a great one to try out for me as well. It is a free no sew pattern for these Easter peeps. I think they're so cute. It's also a seasonal item, so you might not want to make this at all times of the year, but if you are interested, maybe bookmark this one for later if it's not currently the spring season, because I think this one is such a cute one to try out. And the final one on our list, number 23, is a gummy bear pattern. This is another one that I've wanted to make for years. I probably should make some of these and put them on keychains to sell at my upcoming market, but I'm in a bit of a time crunch for that right now. So I don't know if I'll have time, but I definitely want to try it out in the future. So I'm also going to save this one to my watch later and try it out. I think this one is acrylic yarn, but you could also use a thicker yarn. I think it will just come out bigger, but it could be a super cute one to try out. And I love gummy bears, and Fiona really loves gummy bears, so I should also share this one with her because I'm sure she'd be interested in it. And this is another one that I've wanted to make for a long time, but I never really could find a tutorial for it that was free. So finally found one, and I can't wait to share it with you guys. Okay, and that is going to be it for the 20 plus no sew and free crochet plushie patterns. And once again, make sure to check out part 1 if you haven't already, because it has so many amazing patterns in it as well. And I hope I didn't do any duplicates in this video. I don't think I did, so there should be lots and lots of ideas for you now. I think the last one was 30 ideas, so now you'll have like 50 ideas. And you can also go and check out the Pinterest board and all the links in the description if you want to make any of these. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I really enjoyed making it and sharing all of these patterns and tutorials with you guys. And don't forget to like it if you liked it, and subscribe to our channel to see more videos like this one. And we also have so much more exciting content coming up, so stay tuned for all that, and make sure you're subscribed if you're not already. I also just wanted to say thank you guys for the love on our market vlogs, and I am excited to share that I will be doing another market in just over a week. So I loved it so much I had to do it again, so we're going to do one last hurrah for this summer, and I cannot wait to bring you guys along with me, so stay tuned for that one as well. But anyways, thanks so much for watching again, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!